Hi, I'm Dirk Beamer with Right Beamer, here with some tips on how to protect yourself from tax scammers. Tax fraud is becoming one of the most fruitful areas for identity thieves. In 2010, fraudulent tax returns filed under stolen identities resulted in an estimated $11.7 billion in refund claims. Typically, tax fraud begins with a stolen Social Security number, which is used to open a bank account and obtain a debit card. A false tax return is then filed by the thief, claiming a refund early in the tax season. The thief's hope is that the return is sent back before the real taxpayer files his own return. The most common way thieves obtain Social Security numbers is by creating a fake IRS website, with over 20,000 such sites expected to be used in 2012. It is important to know that the Internal Revenue Service never makes initial contact by email or social media. If you receive an email claiming to be from the IRS, do not open any attachments or click on any links. Instead, forward the email to the IRS and then delete it. If you receive a notice through the U.S. mail from the IRS stating that more than one return was filed for you, or referring to a tax year for which you have not yet filed a return, or to an employer from whom you did not receive compensation, immediately contact the IRS representative listed on the notice. If you think you are at immediate risk of identity theft, perhaps because of a lost wallet or purse, or if your identity has already been stolen, you can contact the IRS Identity Protection Specialized Unit at 1-800-908-4490. And as always, don't hesitate to contact the attorneys at Right Beamer for assistance at 248-477-6300 or online at rightbeamer.com.